Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute earring in the form of a Christmas tree. It's quite easy to make. I created a template that I will post on my blog, and I will leave the link to this template below this video. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute Christmas tree earring. We will need our template, a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. With the scissor we will cut our Christmas tree, and when we will finish to cut our tree, we will use some nail polish in order to glitter our tree. Or if you don't have any nail polish, you can use some glue, white glue, tacky glue, and then put on a glitter, some glitter, or you can use some glitter glue. Okay, this is our Christmas tree. We will need something in order to put our nail polish on our Christmas tree with ease. Okay, we will cover our tree. Better to cover both sides, front and back, and better to cover the tree 2 times with a double coat. Better in this way. Okay, we will leave it to dry. Okay, I've already prepared another tree. Voila, I covered the tree back, front and back. Now we will punch a hole here in order to put our jump ring. Okay, punch your hole. A little bigger. Okay, we will use a jump ring. Voila, and then I found this part in this way with this gem. Okay, voila, our Christmas tree earring is ready, and it's quite nice. I think it's quite nice in this way. Voila, here our Christmas tree earring. They are so nice and so easy to make, and you can create them in many different colors. And if you want, you can also add a little star here, or any gem or crystal, as you prefer. I will leave mine in this way because I prefer a simple Christmas tree, because it's already glitter, and with this gem I think it's quite sparkling. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.